What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable usage and diagnostics in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more privacy settings, and after that scroll down to the end and click on usage and diagnostics. Now here in usage and diagnostics you will see a usage and diagnostics button on the top. So if you want to enable the usage and diagnostics, then turn on this button, and if you want to disable the usage and diagnostics, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can enable or disable usage and diagnostics in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.